In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have the Google Sheets app installed in your Monday.com account and added to the workspace where you need it so you can start working with your sheets right inside Monday. Start on your Monday.com homepage and make sure you're in the correct account and workspace where you want to use Google Sheets. Look to the top right of the screen for the small puzzle icon. That's your gateway to apps. Click it to open the Apps Marketplace. If you don't see the icon, you may not have the right permissions, so check with your admin before continuing. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Google Sheets. You'll see the Google Sheets app appear in the results. Click it to open the app's listing page. Here you can review what the app does, see screenshots, and check permissions. When you're ready, click Install App. You'll now choose who can use this app in your account. You have two options. All Workspaces makes the app available everywhere across your account. This is great if multiple teams will use it and you want consistent access. Specific Workspaces limits the app to only the spaces you choose, which is helpful for keeping things tidy or following stricter access controls. Pick the option that matches your needs. If you choose specific workspaces, click Choose Workspace and select the workspace or workspaces where the app should be available. Once you've made your choice, click Install to confirm. Monday.com will process the installation. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a workspace to start using the app. Select the workspace where you plan to work with Google Sheets, then click Add App. This step ensures the app is not only installed at the account level, but also added to the specific workspace so your team can access it right away. That's it. The Google Sheets app is now installed and added to your chosen workspace. From here, you can open that workspace to find the app where you manage views, dashboards, or app widgets, depending on how your account is set up. If you're organizing access for a broader audience, remember you can always return to the installation settings later to switch between all workspaces and specific workspaces. Quick recap. Open the Apps Marketplace from the puzzle icon, search for Google Sheets, open the listing, install the app, choose the access scope, and add the app to your workspace. You're ready to bring Google Sheets closer to your Monday.com workflows and keep your data in sync where your team collaborates.